Hi boys and girls, welcome to Handfuls. This is a game that we do know from the classroom. Okay, so our instructions and our steps for playing the game Handfuls is to take a handful of counters. Now you might have some counters or you might have something else like buttons or little pieces of Lego. Your next step is to estimate how many you have in your hand. Now, estimating is a really important step as a mathematician because it checks to see if your answer is reasonable. Step 3, you need to arrange your counters in a way that will help you count them quickly and efficiently. So maybe into groups, doubles, it's up to you, whatever's going to help you count the fastest. And then Step 4 is to count and check. Now we want to be able to try look and know first, but then we can count and check. A mathematician always looks and knows without counting them all. A mathematician always arranges the counters in a way that will make it easy to count quickly and efficiently. And mathematicians always use efficient strategies. So using things like doubles, known facts, sometimes we use near doubles or skip counting, whatever's going to help you, maybe 10 and some more or arrays, whatever's going to help you count the quickest. Welcome to Handfuls. Okay, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need your counters, and then you're also going to need something to write on. It doesn't have to be a whiteboard. It can be just a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. Okay, so the first step is to take a handful, okay? Now, making sure you're not being too silly with this step, just a nice handful, not too big, not too small, okay? Your next step is to estimate, and we know that means a sensible guess, okay? So I'm looking at my handful, I'm thinking that I could have about 12. So I estimate that I have 12 counters. My next step is to arrange them in a quick and an efficient way so that it's easy for me to count and to look and know. I'm going to arrange them in groups of 5. Wow, would you look at that? I can see 5. I can look and know because it's the pattern of the 5 on the dice. And another 5. And I know that double 5 is 10. So altogether I have 10 because we have 5 and 5, and we know double 5 is 10. Time for another go, taking a handful. Okay, let's see. Might make it a bigger handful. Okay, I'm thinking that there might be 16 there. So I estimate that I have 16 counters. Time to arrange. I'm going to arrange it in, I'm going to try do 10 and some more. Let's see. So it's like a tens frame. We know tens frames from race to 20 and race to 10. Okay. I know that that is 10 because there's 5 and 5 and 5 and 5 makes 10. But in this frame, I have 5 and 2 more. And I know that 5 and 2 more is 7. So I've got 10 and 7 more. And I know that 10 and 7 more is 17. So altogether I have 17 counters. Close, I estimated 16. I've taken a handful. It's time to estimate. I estimate that there are 20 counters altogether. Okay, it's time to arrange. And this time I'm going to arrange my counters into groups of 12. I'm going to put them into columns. And I know that double 6 is 12, so I'm going to do two columns of 6. I'm just going to check. I can see 6 and 6, so I know that double 6 is 12. Okay, there's one group of 12. My next group. Okay, I don't quite have 12. I nearly have 12 over here, but not quite. So I have 12 here, okay, and over here I have 1 less than 12, and I know that 1 less than 12 is 11. Okay, I'm thinking about how I can quickly work out how many there are all together. Well, I can do a near double. If this was 12, I could do double 12. And I know that double 12 is 24, but I need to take 1 away. So double 12 is 24, and then 1 less than 24 is 23. So I visualized that there was 1 there to make 12, but then I took it away at the end. So that's called near doubles. Altogether, there are 23 counters. Okay, our last turn. I'm taking a handful. Okay, and I'm estimating. It's always important to estimate. I think I have about 21 counters there. So I estimate that there are 21 counters. Now I need to arrange. And I'm thinking, I think I'm going to arrange it in groups of 10. I think that's going to be the most quick and efficient way. And it's going to look different to my tens frames being sideways. They're going to be long ways in columns. And I know that there are 5 and 5, so I know that I've got 10 there. My next frame. Okay, I can see that there are 10 and 10, but we've still got some more here. Oh, there's 4 more. I might make this 4 the pattern of a dice, which looks like this. That's going to be really easy to look and know and to count quickly and efficiently how many I have altogether. Okay, so to make it easy for my eyes, I'm going to circle each group and then 4 more. Okay, so I know that I've got 10 here. I know I've got 10 here, and I know that I have 4 more. So I'm thinking about what I can use, what I can use to help me. I know double 10, so I'm going to use that. So double 10 is 20, and 4 more is 24. So altogether, I have 24 counters. So I used doubles, and then I counted some more.